DJ Cadex here, and welcome to today's tutorial. So as you can see, I have many other tutorials. You can check it out later. So subscribe for good luck, and let's get started.
DJ Cadex Tech.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
So first of all, make sure you have your HTTP custom app. Go to Play Store and search for HTTP custom and download the app because you need it. So open it up and install. Open it up. So we are going to be working with the fastest protocol in the app, that is V2Array. So we are going to be using the V2Array protocol. So we need a working V2Array VMS. So we need to go and create one. So exit the app, go to your browser, even it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Sorry, iPhone users. So you can, there are three sites that I recommend. There's fastssh.com, you can use that one. Then there is dynamicssh.com. So it's another site that you can get V2Array accounts. And the last one is sshOcean.com. I'm going to be using this one because I like it. It's not saturated with users, so it's faster. So open it up, click on the menu icon at the top, and click on VMS, the one I highlighted. So we need to create a V2Array VMS account, so click OK, close the ad, and scroll down. As you can see, you can choose your favorite country. So choose your favorite country that you like. So I'm going to be using choose your favorite country that you like. So on my part, I'm going to be using, you can see Canada, France, the country that you like. Go and create one. So if you are near the country nearer to you, you can use one. So I'm going to be using the United Kingdom. Okay, don't ask me why, I like it. So open it up, scroll down. So you can see there are two servers here. Choose one. So I'm going to be using the number 2 one. So scroll down. So you can see, enter your username. Okay, enter your username, and then you order bag host, the host that you're going to be turning the data through. So into my username. Okay, then I send my bag host. In my last video I used the bag host, this one, but you said it's not working. Let's try it out. So I'm not going to see if it works. Okay, confirm the radius. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, verify, create account. Okay, scroll down, your account will be created. So copy the details, or you can also scroll down. If you don't want to copy, you can scroll down and choose the copy TLS configuration, because we're going to be working with the SSL protocol. So SSL protocol in the V2Array. Okay, copy the TLS configuration, copy it. Okay, go back. So now you need a V2Array app to convert the VMS to a working protocol that the HTTP custom can decode. So search for Napsternet or any other V2Array protocol that you can convert So open it up and install it. Now open it up. Now click on the plus icon at the top, the one highlighted, and copy configuration from clipboard. Okay, it will be copied to your dashboard, so click on it. Then we have to ping it to see if it's working, so connect it. Don't change anything, just connect it. Connect it. So connect. Have to ping it to see if there is an handshake, to see if it's working. You must use your data, don't use the free SIM card that has no data. Test using data to see if it has ping. If it has ping, that will work. So that means probably will work. So test. If you see handshake, okay, there we have it. You see handshake took 200 milliseconds. So now disconnect and copy it. The copy button, the two. Okay, close the ad. Click on copy and copy the JSON, not the V2. Copy the JSON. Okay, now go back to your HTTP custom app. Disconnect first, go back to your HTTP custom app, and the time that you will just tick the V2 protocol, the JSON will be just copied for you directly. You don't have to input anything. Just create the configuration if you are setting it, just to start afresh. Okay, just ticking a V2, you'll see config. Okay, there you go. It will be just copied for you. Don't have, so you can confirm by just clicking the plugin icon at the top. Go to V2. Okay, as you can see, there you go, our host is there. Okay, now we have to go back and connect. Don't really change anything. I can just set out the pin so I can see the pin. Connect, scroll to logs. As you can see, boom, there we go, it's connected. So I'm using data, so let's switch to my dataless SIM card, that is, and this is for educational purposes only. Okay, let's switch. As you can see the sign-in notification there we go, that's dataless. So connect. You see it's not working, let's see, there you go, it's working, and boom, you can now create fast V2 in configuration using HTTP custom, because they are fastest. So if you enjoyed this video, you can like the video. You can also subscribe if you want. I'll be teaching the other very many methods to learn using Freenet creation, so you can subscribe there. You can just watch my other videos. I'll see you next time. Peace.